my name is Dua. My father name is Jamshed. I live in class 3. My activity name is season. Winter. Winter starts from 1st of November and ends of 5th of February.
Start.
Spring. Spring starts from 16th February and ends up to 15 April.
Autumn. Autumn is the